Okay, so I have an unboxing for you today. It is an unboxing of the Advanced HunterX. You can just see it. Advanced Hunter is the type, well, more like the it's made by Advanced, kind of like the episode, or if you want to call it, of the case is the Hunter. Now, as you can see, it's just a diagram of it on the front, like most cases come like that. They are doing a build that is mixed with old and new parts. Someone ordered a computer off me, so we're gonna see what we can do with $250. We're using just a second-hand motherboard, second-hand processor, the Zotac GeForce 210, as you saw in one of my recent videos. That'll be going into it, just to give more updated graphics. And this is the case we're going to be using. So, no point in me dilly-dallying around. Let's get right into it. Now, this case comes packed in a different way than most cases. It's packed in a way where the front of it is facing up, not the top. So, if you want to get it out the way you can see it, you can turn it on its side, or you can actually pull it out. So, there we go, we got it out. Look at the box over there. Now, there we go. As you can see, just simply taking it out of the box, it is a gorgeous case. Second you look at it, you know it's going to be used for gaming. Now, in here we have dual fans. So when you first get the case, there are already 4 fans installed. Just see there. Plastic of these. Now, there. It is a gorgeous case, mixed between the black and the white. Bit of red on the front. There should be LEDs in there. That should make it light up red. Here you literally have where your optic drive will go in there. So obviously the front of it comes off, and then you slide it in, and when you press that, it presses the button on the actual drive. This opens, and the where you put your CD comes out, or DVD, whatever. We have HunterX Free and Rebirth. That's the motto. Or 2 USB 2 ports on the front. 2 USB 2 ports on the front. You have your mic and headphone, and now a gorgeous part about this case is the power button. Now, it is absolutely fantastic just looking at it. It's so nice. You have the, well, wouldn't exactly call it chrome, it's more of a silver plastic around it. Looks like a little shield. It says Free Rebirth. Underneath it you have your reset button. this is a case that's going to stand out no matter where you are, where you live. Someone comes into your room or wherever you have this, they're going to see it and they're going to think it's really nice. Now here, these are red LED fans. Now you just take off the side covers. As you can see just by this thing, you can actually put a small padlock on the case, so if you ever bring this to a LAN party, you can lock that so no one can get into your case and steal your RAM or whatever. Now, here's the handle. There. Get you a better look at two LED fans in there. They're red LEDs, just like the front of the case. Now, this fan only comes with the 4 on the side and the top. It comes with a memory card reader, USB 2.0. You just see in there, that's where the little memory card go. There's 2 little slots to a USB. That's just a nice little add-on to the case. So the fans in this, there's 4 of them. As I said before, 2 on the side, 2 on the top. Now we actually did buy another fan for the back, just as an exhaust. We don't want any like air getting its own way out. Just simply have a fan to take it out. It's just a better way, better performance. Front I/O leads. Get on to that in a minute. Now, like most cases do, it comes with a toolless design to put in your disk drive, optic drive, whatever. I get the feeling that when you talk about the fans being on the outside of the side panel here, it really gives it more room on the inside for like a graphics card. So if you want to like really upgrade it, you don't have to have the fans on the inside taking up this much space. So you can have a really big graphics card and there's the cat. Now as you can see here, both sets of fans come with fan controller. When you first open the box for the case, you can see that they're both paused, even though it doesn't matter. There's no power going to them. But here we have normal setting, paused, which is in the middle, and then we have like the full setting. Now we're going to be using them through Molex because, well, it only comes with Molex, and so it'll get the best performance you can out of your fan. The top ones have it as well. Now, it's back over here. Now, when building this, you have to remember that it's not a completely new computer. It's a mix of both old and newer parts. Just a way to figure out how to spend your money really well if you have $250. And yes, I know I am in Ireland, I live in Ireland. We use euros over here, in case you didn't know. But we buy all our parts with dollars because, well, the best place to get them, usually they use dollars. So, dollars or pounds is what we usually pay for our parts. So, there we go. $250, quite a good computer, gorgeous case, and I'm looking forward to doing the build.